Greetings of love and joy. In this video, you will learn how to multiply numbers using Lattice Method. In this method, you are expected that you have already mastered the multiplication of one-digit numbers. Now let's multiply. Suppose you will be asked to multiply 67 and 54. 67 times 54. The numbers are both consisting of two digits, so we draw a 2 by 2 grid, just like what you're seeing here, or a grid with 2 rows and 2 columns. Now make a diagonal line through each box from the top right to the bottom left. 1, 2, and 3. The numbers we are going to write along its diagonal will have the same place value. So as what you have seen, in 67, I place 6 in the first column, 7 in the second column. Similarly, for 54, I place the first digit 5 on the first row and 4 on the second row. Next, multiply the digit at the top of each column by the digit at the end of each row. For example, we have 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30. So we write 3 on the top of the box and 0 in the bottom of the box. We have 3 and 0. We are separating the product into its tens and ones, as what you're seeing here. We continue the process for the other numbers. Let's say 7 and 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So I place 3, the tens digit, on the upper part of the box, and 5, the ones digit, in the bottom part of the box. Let's proceed to the other digits. 6 and 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So I'll put 2, the tens digit, on the upper box, and 4, the ones digit, in the lower box. Next, 7 and 4. 7 times 4 is 28. I'll put 2, which is the tens digit, on the upper box, and 8, the ones digit, in the lower box. After this, starting from the bottom right corner, we add the numbers along each diagonal. The first diagonal has the number 8. Then we write 8 at the edge end of diagonal. Now we add the numbers in the second diagonal. We have 5, 2, and 4. And that is 5 plus 2 plus 4. And the sum is 11. Now since the result or the sum is a 2-digit number, we put the ones digit of the sum of this corner, and then we carry 1 10 on the next diagonal. And then keep adding these numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2, which is equal to 6. And we put 6 at the end part of this diagonal. And then, for the last corner, for the last diagonal, since this is 3, we just put 3. By doing all these steps, we are left with number 3,618. So the product of 67 and 54 is 3,618. So this is how we multiply numbers using the lattice method. I hope you learned something in this video. That's all for today. Till next time.